Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all you Facebook users out there. Are you wondering how to control who sees the posts you're tagged in on your Facebook profile? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to only let your friends see these tagged posts on your Facebook profile PC. Let's get started. First, open Facebook by visiting the website or launching the app on your PC. Next, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Now, click on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, click on Settings to proceed. From the left-hand side, locate and click on Privacy to manage your privacy settings. Within the privacy settings, find and click on Profile and Tagging. Look for the section titled Who Can See Posts that you're tagged in on your profile, and click on the adjacent drop-down menu to open it. Here's where you can make the desired change. Select Friends to ensure only your friends can see the posts you're tagged in on your profile. Finally, click on Done to save your settings. And there you have it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more useful tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and happy Facebooking.